Hey everyone, Amelia Hanson with Usborne Books and More, and I wanted to show you the inside of our fairy tale, Peek Inside fairy tale books. These are a nice size book for younger children, and they have different features on the insides like cutouts, very beautiful cutouts, sturdy pages. Some of them will have flaps on them. And these are some of our classic stories. This one opens up here. Beautiful pictures, just a little bit of text. Something opens up here. So this one is Little Red Riding Hood. And then I have Sleeping Beauty. I just love the cutouts in these books. They're so pretty. I can't get that one up. There we go. You just see how beautiful that is. These are the types of books I want to read for myself. I think a lot of the books we have are adults just love them for themselves. And so that's our Peek Inside Fairy Tales Sleeping Beauty. And then we have Beauty and the Beast. Look at that door. I think my daughter can quote some of these books. She likes them so much. And the end. So these are some great books to have on your shelf, featuring some of our classic fairy tale stories. And each book is $14.99. That is Fairy Tale Beauty and the Beast, Little Red Riding Hood, and Sleeping Beauty.